In this video, I will be showing you how to change audio language in YouTube videos. Let's get started. I start by opening my web browser and navigating to the search bar. I type in youtube.com and press enter to go to the YouTube homepage. Once the page loads, I scroll down slightly and browse through the available videos on my feed. I found a video titled Discipline Your Mind to Achieve Success by Jim Rohn Motivation, and I clicked on it to start playing. As the video begins playing, I move my cursor over the video player controls at the bottom right corner of the screen. I click on the settings gear icon to open the video settings menu. From the settings menu, I locate and click on the audio track option, which is currently set to English Original. This opens up a list of available audio language tracks. I scroll down through the list of languages and select Portuguese, BR.
Às vezes ela o puxa para trás. E a direção da sua vida depende de qual voz você escolhe seguir.
The video reloads briefly and resumes playing with the newly selected Portuguese audio track. To demonstrate how to switch it again, I hover back over the video player and click on the settings gear icon once more. I click on the audio track, which now shows Portuguese, BR. From the list, I select Indonesian.
Peluang yang lebih baik. Namun keinginan saja tidak cukup. Karena kesuksesan tidak ditentukan oleh apa yang Anda inginkan. Kesuksesan ditentukan oleh apa yang Anda lakukan berulang.
The player updates again, and the audio now plays in Indonesian. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.